and exactly same question was asked in JEE Advanced 2011. Exactly the same question, exactly with the same data. So first you guys give a try. I'm giving you some time. I'm giving you one hint. Since alpha is a root of this equation, so we can write alpha squared minus 6 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. And beta is the root of this equation, so we can write beta squared minus 6 beta minus 2 is equal to 0. As you can see this question, first it was asked in JEE Advanced 2011 and the same question was repeated in JEE Mains 2015 and then repeated many a times. So the question is alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. If alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, so we can conclude that alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 2 equal to 0 and beta square minus 6 beta minus 2 is equal to 0. Then they have defined alpha raised to n, an as alpha raised to n minus beta raised to n. So first consider a10 minus twice of a8. a10 we can write as alpha to the power 10 minus beta to the power 10 minus twice of alpha raised to 8 minus beta raised to 8. I'm considering the numerator only. Now we can write it as, we can take all the alpha together. Then what we can write? Alpha to the power 10 minus 2 alpha raised to 8 minus beta raised to 10 minus 2 beta raised to 8. Or we can take alpha raised to 8 common. What will get? Alpha square minus 2 here minus, we can take beta raised to 8 common. What will get? Beta square minus 2. Now tell me one thing, from here, this information, what we can get? Alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 2 equal to 0. From this, can we conclude that alpha square minus 2 is equal to 6 alpha? And from second information, we can conclude that beta square minus 2 is equal to 6 beta. That means we can replace this alpha square minus 2 with 6 alpha. So what we will get? Alpha to the power 8 into 6 alpha minus beta to the power 8 into 6 beta. So you will get 6 alpha to the power 9 minus beta to the power 9. Or you will get 6 times of an. Now in the question, what is given to us? Look at the question. a10 minus twice of a8 by twice of a9. Numerator we have solved and we have got the value of numerator as this should be 9. 6a9. So 6a9 by twice of a9 is equal to 3. So the correct answer is option A, and that is 3.